My name is Lindsay McCaffrey, and I'm an account manager here at Appcast. We're thrilled to have just released our 8th edition of our Recruitment Marketing Benchmark Report. This report can help organizations understand topics such as how recruitment benchmark metrics have changed year over year, the recruiting challenges we are currently facing in 2024, and how to find the right candidates for your open roles. Each year, we look at how job title length impacts clicks on a job ad. Something to consider is that 64% of job ad titles consist of 1 to 3 words, and only 4% of titles include more than 12 words. So while we surprisingly saw a jump in titles that were more than 16 words, you should continue to keep your titles short and simple. If you haven't already had the chance, be sure to download the full report and feel free to reach out to your Appcast team with any questions you may have.